Alright, y'all. This is normally a little too warm to be resting your cuff on. You'd feel that heat coming through a little bit. But with this new padding, you don't even feel it. You seen that was 472. Alright, y'all. Testing out this new padded cuff we made. It's with fireproof padding. Could heat up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. With our FR fabric and the Kevlar stitching. Nice padding. And it's not bulky to where he could still use it as the regular cuffs. So I'm digging it. I hope all you will be digging it as well. And I'm gonna put it through a little bit more testing here. I got some on my nose. I'll put it through a little bit more testing here, and I'll let you know later tonight. All right. Have a great day, everyone, and stay blessed.